How to change name on Wise. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change profile name on Wise. For that, you want to open any web browser and head over to wise.com. Now, Wise is the international money transfer platform from which you can send money, receive payments from abroad, check exchange rates, pay bills, or send money back home. Here, you first of all want to make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, you want to click on your username. Then from this drop-down menu, select the option of Your Details. Once you click on this option, you will be able to see your personal information. Go ahead and click on the Edit Details option. Now, if you want to change your profile name, then you can simply erase your existing name and then enter your new name. You can do the same for your surname as well. Once you have edited all the details, click on the Save option. Once you do that, as you can see, your personal details have now been updated and your profile name also has been changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.